Hello there, in this video I will show you how to enable or how to disable USB debugging on Android Smart TV. So let's get started. First of all, go to the settings of your TV. Scroll down and find out device preference. Open it. Click on About. Scroll down and click on Build. Keep stepping here until you see the You are now a developer. After that, you will see the developer options inside the device preference. Click on Developer Options. Scroll down and click on USB Debugging. Click OK. This is how you can easily turn on the USB debugging in your Android Smart TV. Let's see how to disable the USB debugging. Go to Settings, scroll down and find out Device Preference. Click on Developer Options. Now turn off the USB debugging. Also, you can turn off the developer options from here. That's it. Thanks for watching.